Hi, this is Lvl2. Now in this video, I will share with you how to extract a few values from my Excel self-assessment with Power Query. Now we can take a look at right here. I've converted this into an Excel table, and there are the questions here. Now watch this two green cell. When I change this value to yes, that's an 18, and here when I click on this, one more here. Now if I go for another no, it will just increase by itself. Then I kind of like want to extract this value into using Power Query. Of course, you can use just copy and paste to another new worksheet. That is if you only have one Excel proficiency assessment. What if you have 30 Excel self-assessment and you want to extract every one with just a click? How can you do that? Power Query is the answer. But first, you need to learn something about the level 2 Power Query knowledge. So now I have loaded this into a Power Query. So now I just open it, the connection, and now as you can see here, it's loaded as a source. The whole table is now loaded as a source, and I want to basically extract this column 14. You see there's a 19 and there's a 20, so I want to extract only the column 14. How do I do about it? I go to this icon, add steps, and then I know that the source in itself is a table, so I call the table.column and then comma, and I'm only interested in extracting the column 14 and enter. Now look at that. The table.column extract the column 14. The column 14 by itself. So, and that is what explained here as well. Now here is another example. We have a table where we have Ken, John, Paul, Nick, and with table.column we're extracting just the name column. So the name column, and the result is the list, which is Ken, John, Paul, Nick. Right, return the values from a column in the table, and that is what it means. And this is my Power Query idea book, which is going to publish in March 2022. Now let's come back to here. Now I have extracted this into a list. Now the thing is that I'm interested in getting this value and this value. Right, I know that this is the yes, the number of yes that the user click, and this is the number of no that the user click. So first I convert this into table, and there's nothing to really worry about here. Just click OK. It converted into a table. Now I have a list that's called a new step that's called convert to table. So it's the table, but I want to have this item. Now this item has an index of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 4. This is 2. This is a index of 2. So now I click on this button again one more time, and basically it's the list that it's a table that we have in the previous step. Now I'm going to call how do I extract from the table, and I want to know that table has a name called, has a column called column 1, and I'm only interested in the item has the index of 2. So I'm just use the curly bracket and put a 2 right here, and enter. Now watch that. I have a 19. See this? This is 19, and I got a 19. Now I also interested in getting the value of 12. So how do I do about it? I can call this and join it with a comma and paste it here. And this time I use the 4. And in a short while, it will give you an error. Haha! It says you cannot apply operator and to type number and text. Why is it so? Because when you extract that single value, it is a number, and you are combining with a text of comma using the ampersand n. So this cannot be directly done. So how do we solve this? The answer is you use number dot to text. You format a number into a text. You convert the number into the text. So that is exactly what we want to do. So I call this entire thing called format number dot to text, and I'll put it right here at the back. Okay, so that's it. Now next thing is that right here, also number dot to text. So I'm converting that number into a text. Now it works 19 and 12, and I can go to, wow, this is still like a list, right? Let's just click to table. What will happen? Oh, that's how it looks like. Now I go to home, I go to load, close and load, and it's still a connection because I didn't load it. But if I want to load it into Excel, I can just right click here, choose load to, and go to table, a new worksheet, click OK, and I get this name here. That's cool, right? Now, of course, I can do much more, and that we'll talk about it in our next video. So in this video, you learn how to extract a value, a column with the what do you call that, the table. Let's see here. Where is that table? Let's just search for it. Table dot column. Here. Right, using the table dot column, you get to find that list here. Right, so you extract that column, and with that column, you can also identify the item in it by using the curly bracket. And finally, when you extract the particular value, if it's a number, you need to convert it into a text. So you want to combine with other text. So the number of two texts come very handy. So that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope it is helpful to you. God bless you. God bless Asia.